Welcome to Slovenian Night at the World Challenge Cup in Koper. Tonight, discover the authentic flavors of Slovenia, from local cheeses and savory prosciutto to rich golden olive oil, all perfectly paired with a glass of fine Slovenian wine. It's a night to celebrate tradition, taste, and togetherness. Enjoy the evening and make unforgettable memories.
What do you think about our prosciutto?
It's very good, really good.
What about wine?
Good too. I drank one yesterday and was really good.
What do you think about our wine?
I think it's really good. It's a really good wine. I think it's first Argentinian wine and then this.
The drink is good and the food too.